Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's video we're going to be going ahead and taking a look at this zubbar 3-in-1 wireless charger. This is foldable, pretty budget. I got this for under $20. I got a cool deal on it. This was fully paid. I did not get this sent out. I just wanted to check one out. This is actually for my sister since I did give her my older Apple Watch. She's now going to be needing this. But these are extremely helpful. They're way better than having 3 separate cables plugged into the wall outlet. Way more compact. This is travel friendly. It has an LED light so you know when it's charging. For the phone output, you have a 5-watt minimum all the way up to 15 watts max. 2.5-watt watch output max for the Apple Watch Series 2 all the way up to the SE and the 6 as well as the 7, but it won't fast charge, so keep that in mind. For the headphones, for the earbuds such as AirPods, AirPods 2, AirPod Pro, anything with wireless charging, basically any type of earbud with wireless charging compatible, which is pretty cool. So everything is mainly for overnight. This is not for fast charging, it's overnight charging. That way you can have a more simpler, easier process of charging your device. So let's just get straight into it. Wow, so first up you have a little bag. So once again for travel, this is actually a really nice bag too. Then you got that, and then you have the user manual. So this is the user manual. You have all the instructions. Oh, it's in different languages. I thought it was, okay, so it's in a lot of languages. So it just shows you where you can charge it. It has a Type-C port, which is really good. Cooling, ventilation. So this is everything you get. Wow. So it comes with a power supply, a quick charge 3.0 power supply. Most of these don't come with them. Sometimes they just come with the cable, but this one comes with everything you need. You don't have to use this. You can use a different one. You can use a GAN charger if you wanted to. It just has to support 3.0 and an output of 12 volts, 1.5 amps, equivalent to about 18 watts, give or take. So this is the charging cable here. Once again, quick charge capable, fairly long cable, around 6 feet maybe. Pretty good. Right here, oh, you have a spacer for mini phones. So basically for iPhone 12, iPhone 13 mini. So you can be able to use the wireless charger, which is actually really cool. Most companies don't think about that. They just give you the wireless charger and expect you to be able to use it. But it's good that this one's universal to many different smartphones. And then here you have the wireless charging pad. All right. So here it is. It's actually fairly well sized for a station. Looks like you have some ventilation here. You have a flip out design for the wireless charger for the Apple Watch. And then it says right here, iPhone 12 mini, please use the steps below. And it'll show you instructions on how to use that. Pretty nice. But we don't need that, so we could take it off. All right, so this is a nice design. It's a little bulky on the base end. We got them off. Now they have the nice rubber feet. On the bottom, it says it has an input of 9 volts, 2 amps, and then another ventilation area right there. You have an AirPod Pro logo there, a button, touch sensitive, which is cool. You have a rubber pad so you won't scratch your device, especially if you have stainless steel. That's very important. You could have it out like this and still use it just as a normal wireless charger if you wanted to. But if you want it as a bed stand, which most people will have this as, or just an office area, you can just have it in this amazing mode. So that's really cool to have that. As far as build quality, everything feels good except for the Apple Watch part. The Apple Watch part feels way cheaper than the rest of it. I like the clasp when it clicks back into place. You can hear it too. Really very satisfying, to be honest. Branding is minimal. I like the simplicity to this. Let's go ahead and plug it in and show you what it's like. All right, I do have a cable for this already. That's actually really nice. I don't know if you see that. You can see the LEDs even with the lights on. So that's what that looks like. So if we were to turn it on, you have a green LED and then you can turn it off. So right now it's basically getting ready to be charged. I'm gonna get a Apple Watch. I have an Apple Watch on me. I forgot about that because that's the main thing I need this for is the Apple Watch. It does work. That is amazing. I'm gonna get some earbuds to charge. So we have our iPhone here. Here, I'll turn on the notification sound so you can hear it. Boom, charging. Okay, I'll do that again. Nice. And then the LED does turn blue. Turn on the LEDs. It'll have a breathing effect to know that it's, so that you know it's charging. It's a very subtle blue, which is nice that it won't distract you at night. If you have this on your bedside, it won't be bright enough to be blinding. You can turn it off completely if you don't want it at all. And then we do have the AirPods. So we're gonna go ahead and show you that. I don't know if you can see that. All right, let's show you that again in action. So no light, light, pretty quick. Very nice that you could quickly just lay everything, and this is magnetized, which is cool. I'm pretty sure the phone one isn't magnetized, but we'll just double check. Yeah, it's not magnetized. But basically, look how instant that is for the LEDs. See, green, blue, green, blue. It's pretty quick, and it charges it really quick too. I can't wait to actually be able to use this even more. This is already one of my favorite ones. I wish I had one of these. It's very compact. As you can see, I have another one to my right. It's a lot bigger. It's not a foldable design, so it's basically stationary. You can pretty much only keep it in one area. This one is foldable, so you can use it in multiple areas, and it'll be very minimal. So look how thin that is. It's probably the size of 2 phones. Let's go and show you this one real quick. This one is magnetized. Does have a touch bar. Makes your iPhone float basically. And it has those nice LEDs, and then you can use the wireless charging pad. But for this, the wireless charging pad, it's not always accurate. Like you have to have it dead on the logo, and it's a little bit harder to finick with. For this one, it's way easier because it's literally a rubber ring, and it's so small. This device is so small that you can't misplace it. You can literally just drop it each time and it'll stay there. It's really nice to have that convenience. Even if you don't have earbuds that wirelessly charge, to just put them in one area, to know that they're there in that area, to not lose them, that's also a good idea. That's what I do for my main earbuds. I put my AirPod Pros and my Back Bay earbuds, which are not wireless charging, I put them on my wireless charging pad or just general area, and I know that they're at that station, and when I need to use them or get them, I don't have to search for them or look around my room. I just know that they're there, and I could just pick them up and leave. So very helpful, even if you don't have any wireless charging devices. Also, I wanted to check if this right here can be used for a phone. Pretty sure it'll be way slower if you were to charge 2 phones, but just want to check. Yes, you can. I'm gonna do that again, but I'm gonna turn on the ringer again. There we go. Not too sure if you heard that, but that's a really nice indicator. So really cool. Highly recommend this. Oh, and it does come with that nice pouch, so everything will fit in here. Really good for travel. I'm actually going to be using that. So very nice. Thank you guys for watching. Links are in the description if you decide to purchase, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.